Hello there. The monsoon rains continue to withdraw. The rain not as heavy or as widespread as it was just a week ago. And if we take a look at the satellite picture, you can see where most of the action is, moving up through the Bay of Bengal with heavy rain impacting Bangladesh and Myanmar, perhaps some northeastern states of India as well. So some heavy rain expected here, also perhaps to the east of the Himalayas. We'll pick up a few showers developing across southern areas as we go through the day. These might become a little bit more widespread, but on the whole, it is a quieter and a drier story. Now, across Central Asia, there's a good deal of fine weather as well, not the extreme heat that we had just over a week ago. So the temperature's starting to fall away. You can see that across parts of Kazakhstan, but not as cold as it's going to get over the next few weeks. A few scattered showers as well across parts of Uzbekistan too. Now, as we move down through Pakistan and northern India, fine and sunny. Here's those sharper showers down to the south, as I've already talked about, and some rain across northeastern states of India and in particular through Bangladesh and Myanmar too. So, city forecast looks somewhat like this. Yes, there will be some sunny spells and scattered showers. Islamabad now staying dry and fine with temperatures into the low 30s at times. We'll pick up a few scattered showers for Tashkent and eventually the temperatures falling away in Kazakhstan. Hello there. We've seen a few scattered showers across the far northwest of Africa in recent days, and that might be welcome news for some because we've also seen some extreme heat across northwest Africa, in particular across Marrakesh. Showers fairly widespread, stretching around the Gulf of Guinea, out towards Nigeria, over into Sierra Leone, and then south of that, it's a drier story in comparison to where we were this time last week. Those weather fronts have eased away and temperatures have returned back into the 30s over the next few days. That's an overview of what's happening across Africa. Let's take a look at some of the city forecasts. You can see that dry, settled and pretty warm weather across Cape Town over the next few days. We'll continue to see some sharp showers across Nairobi as well. Elsewhere, it's a case of decent spells of sunshine for Cairo, Marrakesh, seeing those temperatures ease down to the low 30s as we go through the weekend. Now, over into the Middle East, it's a fine and settled story, but there's a local shamal which could bring some lifted dust and some poor visibility. We had this just a few days ago, but it's a slightly stronger one. So certainly close towards the Persian Gulf, we could see some strong winds and that could have an impact on the weather story. But all in all, the extreme heat has eased. It's a little more comfortable now. Temperatures still into the high 30s and plenty of sunshine to go with it.